How to fix Instagram search not working. Let's get started. First, launch Instagram and navigate to Settings and Activity page. Scroll all the way down, click on Logout. Once you log out of your account, wait for a few minutes and again provide your credentials and log in back. This might fix your issue. Next thing you wanna do is check internet connection. Launch your control center, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. This might also fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram. So launch Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, check server status of Instagram. So launch your preferred browser, navigate to this one website. So here you're gonna find the graph. Check this out. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Following these steps, you'll be good to go. But if none of these solutions work, completely delete the Instagram app from your device. Press and hold on it, select the option Delete App, click on Delete. Then launch Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. By following these steps, your Instagram search not working will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.